Good morning, dear student. In the previous class, I explained about the CD and DVD. Now, today I am going to explain about the floppy disks. What is floppy disks? Now, Information Technology, Class 9, Unit 2, Part 14, that is Lecture is 14. Secondary storage device. Now, floppy disk drive. Floppy disk drive. It is a computer disk drive that enable a user to save data on removable diskettes. This portable storage device is a rewritable media that can be reused number of times. It is made of plastic with magnetic coating on it and round in shape, which is covered by a square plastic jacket. It is commonly used to move files between different computers. Although 8-inch disk drive made available in 1971 were the first real disk drives. The first widely used floppy disk drives were the 4-inch floppy disk drives. Today, these drives are being replaced with CDR and other writable disk drives. Now, dear student, floppy disk is a storing device. With the help of floppy disk, we can transfer our files and data in one computer to another computer. Now, computer disk drive that enable user to save data. We can save data. This portable storage device is rewritable. That means we can in this device, in this floppy disk, rewritable. That means we can delete and write. We can delete and write. We also reuse number of times. It is made plastic with magnetic coating on it, round in shape, which is covered by a square plastic jacket. It is covered with plastic jacket. It is commonly used to move files between one computer to another. Though 8-inch disk drive made available in 1971 were the first real disk drive and were first widely used floppy disk drive were the 4-inch floppy disk drives. But in the previous, today's disk drives are being replaced within CDR and other disk drive, pen drive, etc., etc. This is the floppy disk. Floppy disk is used to mainly transfer one file to one computer to another computer. This device is portable. This device is portable. We can carry one place to another place, and we can use one computer to another computer to transfer different data, files, etc. This is the floppy disk. Now, our next topic is pen drive. Pen flash drive. The pen drive is a portable USB flash memory device that can be used to quickly transfer audio, video, and files from the hard drive of one computer to another computer. It is simply plugged into the USB port of a computer and start working. A pen drive gets its name from its resemblance in shape and size with a pen or a pencil and the ease with which it fits into one's pocket. Storage capacities of pen drive can range from 64 MB to 256 GB. This is the pen drive. Now, dear student, pen drive is a portable device. Pen drive is a portable device. We can carry data one place to another place with the help of pen drive. Simply, a pen drive plugged in our system, in our computer, and we quickly transfer audio and video one computer to another computer. It is simply plugged in the USB ports of a computer and start working. A pen drive gets its name from its resemblance in shape and size with a pen or a pencil and the ease with which it fits into one's pocket. The storage capacity of the pen drive can be ranged from 64 MB to 256 GB. That means pen drive we can mainly used for carry data one place to another and use in computer. This is the pen drive. The capacity of the pen drive to storing 64 MB to 256 GB. This is the pen drive. Pen drive. Now, dear student, if you have any types of problem in this topic, you can call this number